Good morning, dear kids. All of you, please take out your computer textbook, page number 22. Okay. As you know that we have started 5th chapter using the mouse, and we have discussed about mouse pad, mouse pointer, and types of mouse. Okay. Today we will discuss about click, double click, right click, scroll, drag and drop. Now look at the picture. This is left click. Okay. To select an item on the screen, gently press and release the left button of the mouse. This is called clicking. See, we know that mouse has 3 buttons, 2 left button and right button, and 1 is scroll wheel, that is known as third button. So for this we have to click on the left button once and then release. Then this is used to select the item. Now next is double click. Double clicking on left button, we can open a document. Pressing the left button of the mouse twice quickly, we have to click twice, is known as double clicking. It is used to open a document or a file. Okay. You can see in the picture, you have to click on left button twice very quickly. This is known as double clicking. It is used to open a document or a file. Okay. Now next is right click. Right click button is used to display the commands on the screen. See, this one is the right click, right hand side of the mouse. Click the right button of the mouse to display the list of commands on the screen. This button is used to display the commands, display the so many items, so many functions on the screen. If you want to create a new folder, you have to click on right button so that you can create a new folder. By clicking right button, we can create a new folder, and where we can save our images, videos, audios, so many documents we can save within that folder. Okay. Now next is scroll. We know that mouse has 2 buttons, left button and right button, and the scroll wheel acts as third button. It is at the middle of the left button and right button. Move the scroll wheel back and forth to scroll the content of the active window. This scroll wheel used to see the different parts of the window. Okay, suppose you have opened a window and you want to see top to bottom. So this scroll wheel helps us to see the different parts of our active window. It is used to scroll the content of the active window. Now next is drag and drop. Drag means to move from one place to other, dragging. Okay. We can use the mouse to move an item from one place to another on the screen. This can be done by using some steps. Step 1 is move the mouse pointer on the object which you want to drag on the screen. You can see in the picture recycle bin. If you want to move this folder, this file, recycle bin, then select the recycle bin. Select by clicking left button on the recycle bin. Then press it. Press and hold the left button. Don't release. Hold on the left mouse button, then drag the object and move it. This is called dragging. Okay? Drag the object and move it. This is called dragging. Now release the left button on the spot where the object is to be placed. This is called dropping. Now you can see in the picture, first in the first step we are selecting the object, then we are dragging in the second step, then we released the object at the place where we want to drop it. That is known as dropping. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept of click, double click, right click, scroll, drag and drop. Let's summarize the topic which we have covered today. Okay, and at the end of this class I will show you one visual clip for clicking, double clicking, right clicking, drag and drop and scroll. Okay, now let's summarize the topic which we have discussed today. Today we have discussed the topic using the mouse. While using the mouse, there are many actions that we can perform. These are performed for different types of work. These are click. By clicking left button, we can select an item. Then we have discussed about double click. By clicking left button twice very quickly, we can open a document or a file. This clicking on the left button twice is known as double clicking. This is known as double clicking. Okay. Then we have discussed about right click. Right click. We have to click on the right hand side button of the mouse. By clicking right button, we can see the list of the commands. This right button is used to display the list of commands on the screen. If you want to create a new document or new folder, you have to click on right button. Okay. Then we have discussed about scroll wheel. Scroll wheel is at the center of the mouse. This is in between left button and right button. This scroll wheel is used to see the different parts of the window. It is generally used to scroll the content of the active window. Then we have discussed about drag and drop. How to drag, what is dragging and what is dropping. By clicking the object which you want to drag from one place to other, after that we have to place. Students, this is drag and drop. Okay, this is called dragging and dropping. Now I will show you one visual clip. Just look at this. Students, say this is mouse and this is the left button. Okay, now I am clicking on left button and I am selecting one object. By clicking left button, we can select. See, look at the screen. The selected object, it becomes blue. Okay, now I am double clicking on this left button. By double clicking this button, we can open a document. You can see on the screen, I have opened one document by double clicking on the left button. Now this is the right button. This one is right button. By clicking right button, we can get a list of commands by clicking right button, right click. If you want to create folder, see, these are the list of the commands. See, by clicking new, you will get folder button. Okay, then you can create folder. So this is the scroll wheel. This is the scroll wheel which is at the middle of the left button and right button. And this scroll wheel helps us to see the different parts of active window. Okay, we can see the different parts of active window by scrolling scroll wheel. Okay, see, I am clicking on this. So many files are there. I'm clicking in this file. This is empty. There is nothing within this. So I will go back by clicking this. Then I will open this file. See, there is only a few objects, a few items are there. If you are having so many items, then you will get one scroll. And by scrolling this scroll wheel, you can see the different part of your window. Okay? I hope you have understood this concept. Now, next is drag and drop. How can we drag and drop? See, by clicking left button, left button, we have to select the object which we want to drag. Suppose recycle bin. In your textbook it is given recycle bin. I am dragging it and I am dropping it at the place where I want to place it. Okay, then again I will take it to the previous place by dragging it. We can drag a folder from one place to other place by clicking and holding the left button. Okay, for this we have to hold the left button. That's all. Bye bye.